Do it again.
Where's Kane?
Kane? Oh! Did it again.
Where's Kane? Peekaboo!
Hey, boo! Boo! Do it again, Mark. He seems to like that.
Where's Kane?
Kane!
Peekaboo! Hi, Lewis.
Kane. I notice when you take his shoes off, he talks to his toes.
Yeah.
He's still wearing shoes.
Oh.
Haven't you ever heard about those people? They like to just sit naked and only wear their shoes.
Yep. And that's what I do when I'm at home. All by myself.
Oh, was I supposed to have this up?
No. I had that up.
Why was I supposed to have that up? Should we bring out the birthday cake or should we wait for Chris?
Chris probably won't be coming because he said he's not sure. He said don't wait for him.
And it's not like it was Kane's birthday. When it's Kane's birthday, then we're gonna party like
Just might
it's
go home and enjoy the peace and quiet for 5 minutes?
I don't really know what he's...
Kane. When it's your birthday, we're gonna party like it's 2008.
Well, what time? It's only 6:15. Maybe another hour before.
Oh, well, hell. We're not.
Lewis?
You can't see. Did you want me to make you coffee or tea, Melissa?
Yeah.
What would you like? Coffee or tea?
The tea maybe.
Would you like one of those?
Yes, please. Either one.
Here, Grandpa. Grandpa? Tea or coffee?